Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create an standard user account on Mac computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create a standard user account on Mac computer, click on Menu, click on System Preferences. Here you will find users and groups. If you do not find users and groups, just in search type users, select users and groups. First of all, you need to unlock to make changes. Look here, this option is locked. Now click on the lock and set your password. Now click on unlock. Now click on plus icon, give the name John Paul. Now click on account name, then type your password. Now again type password to verify. Now give a password hint. Now click on create user. Look, your standard user account has been created. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.